poops all day.
No way!
There goes my...
Where'd that wind come from?
Oh, sorry. Oh, man, we talked about it and everything. How come you can't remember to have good manners? Well, I don't know.
Well, BJ, when you're little, there are a lot of rules to remember, and sometimes it's hard.
Yeah.
When you were little, sometimes you forgot the rules too.
Who? Me?
Mm-hmm.
Really? What did he forget?
Well, sometimes he forgot to say please and thank you.
Okay, that could happen once or twice. Barney, what else? What else?
And sometimes he'd burp and not say excuse me.
Oh, yeah, but that was because I was rude. Barney, what else?
Well, he also used to do...
Okay, I think she gets the idea.
Oh, good.
And so do I.